Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to guide you on how to log into your Netspend account for fast access to your prepaid card. Follow these step-by-step instructions to easily access your account. Step 1. Visit the Netspend website. Open your web browser and go to the official Netspend website by entering www.netspend.com in the address bar. Make sure you are using a secure and updated browser for your safety. Step 2. Locate the login section. On the Netspend homepage, look for the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your account information. Once you are on the login page, you will see fields to enter your user ID and password. Carefully type in your user ID in the first field, then enter your associated password in the second field, ensuring that caps lock is off and everything is typed correctly. Step 4. Click the Login button. After you have entered your user ID and password, click the Login button. This will take you to your Netspend account dashboard. If your information is correct, you will gain access to all your account features. Step 5. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues while trying to log in, make sure to check the following. Verify that you entered the correct user ID and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Joker. Step 6. Explore your account. Once logged in, you can explore various features such as checking your balance, reviewing transaction history, and managing your account settings. Make the most out of your Netspend prepaid account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.